Hey yo, what's going on, guys? We are back with another video, and today we got a box turn up from Traxxas, so let's get to opening it. Alright, so we got the box right here, so we're gonna open this up. I know what this is, but I know you guys don't. I ordered this from Traxxas a week or two ago, and once I get this open, I'll tell you why and how. So we've got, here we go. We've got some nice packaging and ooh. Traxxas Max tires. Here's the part number. If you guys want to take a look at those. We got 2 sets instead of 4. Ooh. And we got one more thing in the box. We got a Traxxas book. Rustlers. Alright. So what this is here is it's just a booklet of stuff that you could use for this. So I'm gonna keep this. Here's what it is. So I'm gonna just set this over here. No, not in there. I don't want it in there. I want to keep this. Alright, so I'm gonna cut these open now. We can actually get these open. Okay, what the heck? There we go. There we go. Ooh, look at these. Ooh. Fresh out the box and bag. Alright, so there's those two, and now let's get these open. There we go. Pre-glued. So these look amazing. Alright, so let me tell you how I got these tires. So I called Traxxas because my tires were looking a bit like cracked rims and stuff. So I called her like, yeah, we'll give you some for like half price. I was like, okay. So a set of these 4 were $40. So I got 2 for $4 pretty much. So if you guys have any difficult with Traxxas stuff, just call them. It's the best that you could probably do, because they'll just, I mean, if you they wanted my email, so send them the pictures of the cracked rims, and it's like, yeah, okay. So I sent them that, and then a couple weeks later, here they are. Alright, so now I'm gonna get these tires off. So I need these 4 off. Once I get these tires off, then I will show you why I have new ones. I need this little metal piece. So look right here. If you guys can see that. When I pull this back, you see all right here. Oh, right there. Yeah, right there. It all cracked. And when I squeeze them, a whole bunch of gunk comes out. So on these tires it says rotation. So rotating this way, so this goes on right there. Boom. those on.
Put this one on, and then
We're gonna flip it around and put the, oh wait, no, hold on. So I'm just gonna flip it around because right here it says rotation. You have to get that matched up. So I'm gonna get these tires on and then I'll show you once we're done. Boom, there we go guys. We got the tires on and they're looking fresh. The body's not, but the tires are. So thank you, Traxxas. If any of you can like contact them, send them this video or anything, that would be much appreciative to me. So now there's gonna be some videos with this Max and these tires, and yeah, this car's dirty. And yeah, that's tires on, video complete. So that is going to be all for this video today, and I think this car looks amazing now with these tires on. So that's going to be all for this video. So go down, hit the like button, hit subscribe, turn on those post notifications so you do not miss another upload, and share this with your friends and family, and and I will see you in the next video. Peace out.